We see a convergence between fund structures and securitization vehicles in a way that we have multiple opportunities to combine both vehicles for one investment structure. In practice, that means that we can use a securitization vehicle as a feeder vehicle for investors to invest into a fund. So we put the securitization vehicle on top of the fund as a second layer. We also have the opportunity to use the securitization vehicle as a co-investment vehicle to the fund. So we have it as a layer besides the investment fund. And last but not least, we can take a securitization vehicle below the investment fund as another layer, so that the fund itself will invest into the securitization vehicle to gain certain advantages from that double layer structure. Investors can gain certain advantages from investing via a securitization vehicle. When it comes to fund repackaging, certain investors do not have the possibility to directly invest into the fund for mainly regulatory reasons. For example, an investor has certain investment restrictions where the investment in another alternative fund is not permitted. So what we can do is offer another feeder option via a securitization vehicle. Second reason would be that the investor may reduce capital requirements that he has under Solvency II, and additionally he can lower his risk profile by investing into note instruments that may also be rated from a securitization vehicle instead of directly investing into an investment fund. We have certain types of assets that are better suitable for a securitization vehicle and others that are better suitable for a fund structure. So when we have homogeneous assets that are standardized, where we have predictable cash flows and that are quite easy to manage, then a securitization vehicle is the vehicle of the choice. When we have illiquid assets that need active management, then we usually need a fund structure. Asset classes for a securitization vehicle may be trade receivables or certain types of loans, and assets for fund structures are, for example, direct real estate investments or private equity investments.